Tired of the heat? These top 5 portable air conditioners can cool your room in minutes. Let's find the best one for you.
Number 1.
Transform your living space into a refreshing oasis with the Snowcott Smart Portable Air Conditioner. This innovative 5-in-1 multifunctional unit effortlessly handles your indoor climate by offering dedicated cooling, fan, and dehumidifying dry modes alongside smart timers and a rest-enhancing sleep mode. Driven by a high-efficiency rotary compressor and heavy-duty internal cooling coils, it delivers an impressive 16,000 BTUs of powerful cooling capacity that can easily chill large spaces up to 750 square feet. Navigating your comfort is seamless thanks to its integrated easy roll caster wheels and intuitive top touch control panel with clear LED readouts and full smart app connectivity that lets you manage your settings directly from your phone. It is perfect for drying damp laundry indoors, and when night falls, the unit switches into an ultra-quiet 42 decibel sleep mode to keep you resting undisturbed all through the evening. Complete with a built-in child safety lock.
Number 2.
Say goodbye to sweltering indoor heat and upgrade your comfort with the Shinko Portable Air Conditioner. Explicitly engineered for effortless mobility, this sleek cooling unit features built-in wheels that let you roll it smoothly from your home office right into the kitchen or bedroom. It features an intuitive top control panel where a single touch turns the system on and opens its wide front louvers. Press the mode selector to effortlessly cycle between high-performance cooling, a standard fan setting, or a dedicated dry dehumidifying mode. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius displays by holding the up and down buttons simultaneously, allowing you to fine-tune your climate within a comfortable range of 60 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust between high, medium, and low fan speeds with ease, or lay back and use the compact remote control to trigger the motorized auto swing function from across the room. Perfect for bedrooms, it includes a 24-hour auto start and stop.
Number 3.
Experience a new era of compact cooling with the CoolZone Portable Air Conditioner. Master your indoor climate in just 3 simple steps, using either the intuitive top LED display and touch control panel, or adjust your settings instantly from the comfort of your couch with a convenient remote control. Its specialized 77-degree wide-angle airflow delivers faster, wider cooling coverage, dropping temperatures from 86 down to 61 degrees Fahrenheit in just 60 seconds for rapid whole room comfort. Designed for effortless mobility, the unit features 360-degree swivel wheels that let you roll it smoothly into any room in any direction. When it's time to rest, activate the ultra-quiet 30 decibel sleep mode, along with a 24-hour automated timer to create a cozy, undisturbed environment all through the night. Maintenance is a breeze with its removable, easily washable dual rear filters that keep your indoor air consistently fresh and clean. Complete with a comprehensive window installation kit, CoolZone brings ultimate smart cooling technology.
Number 4. Welcome to a new standard with the Winter Arc 14S and Arc 14S H3-in-1 portable air conditioner. Designed to deliver powerful, efficient comfort, this premium appliance seamlessly blends high-end engineering with everyday practicality to transform your living environment. Packed with an impressive 14,000 BTUs of cooling power, the heart of this machine lies in its heavy-duty compressor, which is built to combat the most intense summer heat waves and rapidly lower temperatures in large rooms. What truly sets this system apart from traditional portable air conditioners is its advanced dual-hose design. By utilizing 2 separate hoses, one for fresh air intake and one for hot air exhaust, the unit completely eliminates negative air pressure inside your room, resulting in significantly faster and more energy-efficient cooling. Maintenance is practically effortless thanks to Winter's patented auto-drain technology. While operating in AC mode, the system automatically self-evaporates all the moisture it collects, saving you from the daily hassle of emptying a messy internal water tray. Versatility is right at your fingertips with 3 distinct operational modes, allowing you to use it as a high-capacity air conditioner, a powerful dehumidifier, or a simple circulating fan for everyday use. Navigating your settings is incredibly intuitive, featuring a sleek digital display on the front panel that gives you precise temperature control down to the exact degree. Beyond just changing the temperature, the Winter system actively improves your indoor environment through advanced air filtration, utilizing a washable pre-filter combined with an activated carbon filter to continuously capture airborne particles, dust, and neutralize unpleasant odors. Setting up the unit takes only a few minutes out of your day. The comprehensive, tool-free window installation kit easily adjusts to fit your existing window frame, while the heavy-duty, 360-degree rolling casters on the base provide effortless mobility to move the unit from your living room to your bedroom whenever you please. Sit back, relax, and enjoy customizable, year-round comfort made simple with the Winter Portable Air Conditioner. Number 5.
Welcome to an in-depth look at a premium cooling solution designed to bring ultimate comfort into your home. The Black Plus Decker 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. If you are searching for a versatile, powerful, and smart appliance to handle the toughest summer heat waves, this 3-in-1 system functions as a high-powered air conditioner, a dehumidifier, and a circulating fan, all packed into one compact design. One of its standout features is advanced smart home connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly connect the unit to your local Wi-Fi network and gain full voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for effortless adjustments without ever lifting a finger. For classic control, it includes a full-function remote control integrated with a unique Follow Me function, which acts as a portable thermostat to ensure the unit cools precisely where you are sitting, rather than just around the machine itself. Looking closely at the top-mounted interface, you will find an elegant, clear digital display paired with intuitive touch controls that let you toggle between 4 cooling modes and 3 distinct fan speeds, giving you precise mastery over your indoor climate down to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. When it comes to raw performance, this heavy-duty unit is rated at 14,000 BTUs under ASHRAE standards or 10,200 BTUs SACC standard, giving it more than enough muscle to rapidly lower temperatures in spacious rooms up to 700 square feet. Setting up the appliance is remarkably simple and fast because it arrives ready to use straight out of the box with a comprehensive window slider installation kit included, eliminating the need for permanent modifications or complex tools. Physically, it occupies a surprisingly small footprint, with sleek dimensions measuring just 16.5 inches wide, 14.06 inches deep, and 27.09 inches tall, enabling it to fit seamlessly into living rooms, home offices, or master bedrooms alike. When comparing it side by side with other designs, you can appreciate the thoughtful engineering behind its build quality. The main unit features robust manual louvers on the front that allow you to direct the airflow precisely where it is needed most. On the alternative model, a sleek motorized top flap automatically glides open upon power-up, revealing a hidden air vent that tucks away neatly when turned off to maintain a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Turning the units around reveals a highly efficient rear ventilation layout featuring a large, secure exhaust hose connector port alongside layered protective intake grills that house washable air filters to capture airborne dust and particles. Maintenance is kept completely straightforward with an accessible drainage port plug positioned near the base to easily drain away excess condensate during heavy dehumidifier operation. For safety and peace of mind, the heavy-duty power cord comes equipped with an integrated leakage current detection and interruption plug featuring manual test and reset buttons to safeguard your household electronics. Whether you prefer the classic manual louver design with its bright blue LED status indicators or the ultra-modern motorized variant with a glossy top finish, Black Plus Decker delivers reliable, quiet, and intelligent climate control that effortlessly adapts to your lifestyle. Stay cool this summer. Check the links below for the best deals and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.